If you want to bend text in GIMP, whether you need a quick warped effect or a clean curved text layout, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods that you can use right inside GIMP to bend text the way you want it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's start with the first method, which uses the Cage Transform tool. This is a great option if you want to manually bend, stretch, or warp text into a custom shape. First, select your text layer in GIMP so you're working on the right object. Then go to the toolbox and choose the Cage Transform tool. You can also use the shortcut Shift+G to get to it faster. Once the tool is selected, click around your text to draw a closed cage. Make sure the cage fully surrounds the words, because this outline is what GIMP will use to control the transformation. After you've clicked all the points and completed the shape, press Enter to finalize the cage. Now comes the fun part. Click and drag any of the anchor points on the cage to bend, stretch, or warp text into the shape you want. You can move the points slowly to create a subtle curve, or pull them farther for a more dramatic effect. Take your time here and experiment until the text looks right. This method is perfect for making text look more dynamic, stylized, or fitted into a design element. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the Paths tool. This is the better choice if you want to place text along a smooth arc or custom curve with more precision. First, select the Paths tool, which you can open with the shortcut B. Then click twice on your canvas to create a straight path line. After that, drag the middle of the line to bend it into an arc or curve. You can shape this path until it matches the style you want, whether that's a gentle wave, a circle-like curve, or a custom swoop. Once your curve is ready, select the Text tool and type the message you want to bend. Make sure the text is placed on its own layer so it's easy to work with. Next, go to the Layers panel, right-click the text layer, and choose Text Along Path. GIMP will then map your text onto the path you created. This gives you a much cleaner curved text effect, especially if you want text to follow a specific line or design shape. It's ideal for logos, banners, labels, and creative graphic layouts. If the curve doesn't look quite right at first, don't worry. You can always go back to the path and adjust the curve until the text flows better. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of using paths in GIMP. And if you need the text to stand out more, you can always tweak the font size, spacing, and placement before finalizing your design. So, to quickly recap, if you want a free-form warped look, use the Cage Transform tool. If you want a smooth and accurate curved text effect, use the Paths tool and Text Along Path. Both methods are useful, and once you try them a couple of times, they become really easy to use. If this video helped you learn how to bend text in GIMP, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more GIMP tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.